visible?
No, no, sir.
Okay, will be visible soon.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me start with the MCQs of unit number 2. Here are the MCQs. Yes, this is unit number 2. Okay, we studied orthogonal trajectory. We know how to find the orthogonal trajectory. dk law, dm by dt equal to minus km, Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt equal to minus k, theta minus theta naught. Theta naught is the surrounding temperature which is constant for the whole experiment. Theta is the temperature of body. Rectilinear motion, velocity v is dx by dt. Acceleration may be written in 3 different forms: dv by dt, or d square x divided by dt square, or v dv by dx. And by law of motion, F equal to m into a, and we can write acceleration accordingly. Okay. Then the voltage drop across inductance L di by dt, across the resistance Ri, and across the condenser Q by C, that is equal to E. Simple harmonic motion, this is the differential equation of simple harmonic motion. According to Fourier's law of heat conduction, the amount of heat lost, that is Q equal to minus Ka dt by dx. Okay, we'll go through few examples. The first example, I'm audible. I'm audible. Hope everyone is here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me continue. So where we are, yes, here. Orthogonal trajectories. The differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. We have to start directly. Okay, yes, we start. Go through few examples. Write down MCQs of unit number 2. Write the title. Then we have a test, MCQ test on Monday. 30 questions will be there. Right?
Sir, both the unit.
Both the units. 15 from first unit. 15 from the unit number. Yes, let's start. First, we'll solve the second example. See, read the question carefully. If the family of curve is given by x square plus 2y square equal to c square, then differential equation of orthogonal trajectory is required. Okay, so write down x square plus 2y square equal to c square, equation number 1.
सर ते पेज नहीं शेअर केलं का?
This now, just 1 minute. 1 minute only. Not take more time. 1 minute only. Yes, write down x square plus 2y square equal to c square. Why it is taking time? One. Write down MCQs of unit 2. X square plus 2y square equals c square. Differentiate. Write down 2x plus 4y y dash equal to 0. Okay, then around to find orthogonal trajectory, what is to be done? Dy by dx is to be replaced by minus of dx by dy. So 2x plus 4y minus of dx by dy equal to 0. Let me see how the options are given. Better to close this at this moment. Close current tab. Okay. Okay, so options are given in this way. So we have to cancel 2. After cancelling 2, we are getting x minus 2y dx by dy equal to 0. And this is the equation number 3. Hope you remember. We have, while solving the examples on orthogonal trajectory, we have written equation number 1, 2, 3. So this is equation number 3. Ax minus 2y dx by dy. Okay, this is the answer. Okay. So I'm writing type 1. So x minus 2y, D option, D option is correct. Solve example number 4. Better solve example number 5. Somewhat difficult. Example number 5, the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. Okay, so 2x square plus y square equal to cx. So in all these examples, it is asked to find the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. That is from equation number 1 up to equation number 3. So we have to stop at equation number 3. Equation number 3 is the required differential equation. So differentiating with respect to x, 4x plus 2y, better to write dy by dx so that there will be no any confusion. C, but equation number 1 implies c equal to, we have to remove the arbitrary constant. Hope you remember it. So we have 4x plus 2y dy by dx equal to 2x square plus y square divided by x. So see how the answer is. According to that, do the calculations. Yes, answer is in this form only. So no need to take the this 4x to other side. Okay, keep as it is. This is equation number 2, the differential equation of equation number 1. Right now, right, to find orthogonal trajectory, trajectory, yes, what is to be done? Dy by dx is to be replaced by minus of dx by dy. So it is 4x minus 2y dx by dy. I have done the calculations. I have I have not written the previous step. Skip the step. This is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. Equation number 3, and if we solve the equation number 3, differential equation number 3, we'll get the orthogonal trajectories in algebraic form. That we don't want for this example. So see which option is correct. 4x minus 2y is required, dx by dy, 2x square plus y square. C option is correct option. C option. Getting everyone?
सर दोन्ही ऑप्शन बरोबर आहे.
कोणते?
Sir, B.
सेम आहेत ना.
Correct. Might be some printing mistake. Correct. Option B and C both are correct. Now this may happen in the exam also. Final exam I am saying. So in that case, if query is there, you take screenshot. घ्यायची permission असते का? Is it? Do we have any permission?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So you write
sir.
inside question number. No problem. You write inside question number 5. Option B and C are same. So लिहून ठेवा बाजूला. Okay. And then post it on the university website. Okay, no problem. Question number 7. Let me change the page. Question number 7. Solve the question number 7. Let me solve the question number 7. Okay, 7 is e raised to x plus e raised to minus y equal to c. The differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. Read the question carefully. According to that, we can make the required changes. Yes. So what we have to do? This is equation number 1. Just differentiate e raised to x minus e raised to minus y dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. Now write replacing dy by dx by minus of dx by dy. So e raised to x minus it will be plus e raised to minus y. This is the answer. e raised to x plus e raised to minus y. E raised to x plus e raised to minus y. C option is correct. C option is correct. I will go through the next question. Now questions are in polar form, and we'll go to the question number 10. Question is same. Find the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. R equal to a1 minus cos theta. So right, dr by d theta equal to a, and derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus minus plus sin. Is to be substituted. Now see the option and according to that make the required changes in the calculations. Let me see the options. Question number 10. Minus sin as it is, minus r dr by d theta sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. A option is correct. Just we have to cancel one r from both sides. Whether it is dr by d theta or d theta by dr, that is also important. So don't make any mistake. Write it correctly. Let me change the page. Here is the answer. Cancel r from both sides. That's it. Okay. Next page. Next example. Page number 3. Example number 12. Solve example number 12. R square equal to a cos 2 theta. And whenever you are writing the example, see how the options are also given. Just go through it so that you will understand what we have to do exactly. So 2r dr by d theta equal to a, derivative cos is minus sin 2 theta. R will cancel. Sure. This is equation number 2. dr by d theta is to be replaced by minus r square d theta by dr. Hope we have answer like this. Check it, r square d theta by dr. R square d theta by tan 2 theta. A option. Option A is correct. A option. Please write all the steps, understand it. If required, you can skip few steps.
सर आर राहिला
कुठे?
इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये.
हाँ, correct. Sorry, R is remaining. No doubt. Absolutely. So one R is here. One R will cancel, and we have R DRD. Absolutely. So this type of silly mistakes may happen during the exam. So be careful. So answer is C. Thank you. Okay, we'll go to the next example. Oh, 13, example number 13 looks different type of example. R equal to A sec square theta by 2, not different, looks like a different example. Solve that. What is derivative of sec theta? Sec theta tan theta. Again derivative of theta by 2, 1 upon 2. Simplify. Two will get cancelled. A we know. This is differential equation of equation number 1. dr by d theta equal to r tan theta by 2. Now to find the orthogonal trajectories, replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. Can I change the page? What was there on our right side? I think this was on the right side.
Yes, sir.
Please check.
Right.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Next. So we'll go through the example number. Okay. So at the starting on the first page, we have written example number, type number 1, example number, write 1 to 15. So for example number 1 to 15, we have to start from the given equation, that is 1, and we have to reach at the equation number 3. Clear? Now we'll start with the example number 16. Okay, type 2. Example number 16 2. This 2 will decide. Okay, afterwards you can write it. So we'll go through the example number 16. Read the example and understand it very well. If the differential equation of family of straight line is, so y equal to mx is the given equation, and its differential equation is known to us, dy by dx. You don't have to check, cross check it, you write it directly. This is equation number 2. And what is asked? Find the orthogonal trajectory. So what should be done? Do it in this way. To find, absolutely, to find orthogonal trajectory, yes, dy by dx is to be replaced by minus of dx by dy. If you don't understand constant, we can add it afterwards. And that you can decide. Yes.
तर साइन ऑपोजिट झाले तरी चालतील.
एक मिनिट. परत एकदा विचार.
ते मायनस इंटिग्रेशन जागेवर एक्स लावला ना तिथं वाय लावला तर वाय
चालेल की, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
साइन चे
Like this, na?
यस सर.
आ रहा है सही, सेम ही आ रहा है.
यस सर.
आ ही गई. ठीक है. So example number 16, correct option is D. Constant के बारे में you don't bother about the constant. Instead of k square, if you are getting c, that is also correct. If you are getting log c, that is also correct. Okay, example number 20. 20 solve करते हैं अभी. चलो, solve the example number 20. चलो, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 20 सॉल्व करते हैं. ओके, पेज चेंज करता हूं मैं. लेट मी गो थ्रू द पेज नंबर 5 नाउ.
सर वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू 3.
नहीं, एक मिनट, मुझे सॉल्व करने दीजिए आप. x square, you might be correct. You just cross check it once again.
यस सर.
Differential equation is, or better you solve another example, no?
I thought second equation dy by dx को minus dx by dy से replace
नहीं,
किया.
एक दोनों मिनट.
वेरिएबल टेबल फॉर्म में replace किया.
Correct. dy by dx is to be replaced by minus of dx by dy. So minus of dx by dy, then minus of x by 2y. So ये आएगा dy divided by y 2y equal to पहले ऑप्शन देखते हैं कौन से फॉर्म में है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट विल मेक द रिक्वायर्ड चेंज. ओके, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू k स्क्वायर है, चलेगा. चलो, कोई भी फॉर्म में आए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, हम उसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. देखते कांस्टेंट क्या लेना है.
सर ऑप्शन बी होगा.
ओके, Let me check it.
Y square by x is equal to 3.
Okay, just 1 minute.
Oh, sorry.
Hope you are getting answer like this.
D,
Square
B.
equal. None of this. Is
None of-
everyone
Sir, option
getting
A.
option
सर
A?
कॉन्स्टंट जर वायच्या
X
साईडला
square. Absolutely. Very good. Absolutely. X square equal to 1 upon C square Y. So we can say it as a KY. No doubt. Very good. And you can mention this where K is 1 upon C square. It doesn't matter, no? How the constant is. So be careful. Stress. Understand this example, okay? Don't say none of these. Usually none of these type of questions are not asked, usually. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Many of you are understanding it very well. Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, can I continue with next example? Okay, where we should start now? Example number 24. Solve example
Yes,
number 24. 24, go through the 24. Let me change the page. Is it changed? Yes. Example number 24 is like this. Orthogonal trajectory of family of the curve x square plus cy square equal to 1, whose differential equation is dy by dx equal to minus xy divided by 1 minus x square. Okay. So first step, to find orthogonal trajectories, what is to be done? Dy by dx is to be replaced by minus of dx by dy. Great. So cancel the minus sign. So x divided by 1 minus x square. Intuitively I have done like this, so that yes, we can separate the variables.
X by C is equal to e raised to x square plus y square divided by 2.
Okay, let me check that. Now see the option and accordingly we can decide what should be done. Log x, yes. Minus x square by, okay. Log x minus x square by 2 equal to y square by 2 plus k. B option is correct, only a little bit change we have to make. Like this, log x again. Usually I used to write more steps for understanding. Many of the steps are not so much important, you can skip them. Which option is this? C option. कोणता ऑप्शन आहे?
So option दिसत नाहीये.
अच्छा, हाँ, or you also did same. Yes, B option. B option is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change the page. Can I change the page? What about others? Hope they are also involved in the process of understanding this. Okay, Chaitanya Jangle.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Can we solve the example number 26 now? 26 is okay. Chaitanya, should we?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 26. It is better to keep the question set with you. If possible, you can keep the hard copy of the question set with you. Not compulsory, but better if you have the hard copy also. So, we'll go through the next example. X square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square plus lambda equal to 1. Orthogonal trajectory of family of this curve whose differential equation is x a square minus x square divided by y dy by dx equal to 0 is. So a is not a parameter, lambda is the parameter, huh? So you don't have to remove the a. Hope you might have understood this. And see the options. Option contain a as well as b. ऑप्शन में a and b है ना, ऑप्शन में a और b है ना, और यहाँ पे एक्सप्लिसिटली दिया है कि लैम्बडा इज द आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट. ओके, तो a और b को हमें रिमूव नहीं करना है. यू कैन कंसीडर a and b एज अ एब्सोल्यूट कांस्टेंट. से a इक्वल टू 5 and b इक्वल टू 7 फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके, so it is not required to remove a and b, it is required to remove lambda only. Hope this is clear to you. How it will be clear? Since the given differential equation contain a, the options contain ab. Clear? Write this inside. Lambda is to be removed and already it is removed. Confusion नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, to find orthogonal trajectories, replace dy by dx by चलो अब इसको सॉल्व करना है. तो क्या करते हैं, ऐसा करते हैं x इक्वल टू usually they used to be variable separable form. Integrate
a square log x minus x square by 2 is equal to y square by 2 plus k.
Let me check. So I have to see the option 26. Y square by 2 on one side, a square log x minus x square by 2 plus k. C option. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं
सर.
हाँ हाँ यस.
इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये लॅम्बडा कसा रिमूव्ह केला? इक्वेशन 2 मधला लॅम्बडा.
No, see what is done na, it is already done. You want to understand that how lambda is removed?
तर इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये
what is given? lambda
नव्हता इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये.
हा नाहीच ना. Already what is given to us, the this equation number 1 na, see towards screen. This equation number 1 it is equation of ellipse, you might have understood. So this is algebraic equation of ellipse, this is differential equation of ellipse, second one. Both of them are given in example. Okay,
Yes,
right.
sir.
Now how to remove, that is the part of formation of differential equation. If you want to understand that, then I have to do few calculations. Or please, if possible, you do it, since you do it on your own. If you're not able to understand it, send me a message. And if it is the problem for everyone, we'll solve it here. It is somewhat difficult to cover the MCQs. No doubt we have to understand it. It does not mean that we have to leave it. So better to do it on your own. If not possible, you ask me afterwards. I can solve it for you only, or I can solve it for the whole class. There is no any problem. Okay. But time being, let me continue. We'll go through the example number 29. Write down. If the differential equation of family of curve r equal to a sin theta, equation number 1 is dr by d theta equal to r cot theta. Okay. Then we have to solve we have to find the orthogonal trajectories. To find orthogonal trajectory, replace dr by d theta by minus r square d theta by dr. So this is the equation number 3. R will cancel, minus r d theta by dr. Can I change the page? Past. Let me change the page. Okay, minus r d theta by dr. See how the options are given, and accordingly you can make change in the problem. I think we are solving example number 29. R equal to k cos theta is given. Okay, somewhere sec theta is also given. Okay, no problem. So I think we have to consider log c over here. Log r minus log of tan theta sine by cos. So sec theta, I think this is. R equal to c cos theta or k cos theta, whatever the answer is. R equal to k cos theta, A option. Example number 31. Solve example number 31. Let me ask question to someone. Arpit. Arpit is there. Arpit. Ankur. Ankur Nalandi. Arpit.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vallabh Kadam is there.
Yes, sir.
Prasad Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Omkar. B23.
Yes, sir.
Sahil Pawar.
Yes, sir. Present.
Sonal Shinde.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Dhruv Patel.
Yes, sir.
सुंदरम. होते जरा सीबीएस हे पाठवा. नाही, वर्ड कॉपी पाहिजे. वर्ड कॉपी, सॉफ्ट कॉपी.
वर्ड कॉपीच पाठवली की दिली तुम्हाला
हातात
तिथे दिलं सगळं ना सीबीएस
मेलवर द्या. मेलवर राजे काय सांगतो समजून घ्या. वर्ड कॉपी तुम्ही हातात कशी लिहू शकता?
वर्ड कॉपी पाहिजे. अरे मी कन्फ्युज
एकच पाहिजे. आता मी मेल पाठवलं 2019-20 सेमिस्टर
सेमिस्टर ना message.
जरा ते काहीतरी कॉपी पेस्ट करायचं. हाँ ओके चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. यस अच्छा राइट टू फाइंड ऑर्थोगोनल ट्राजेक्टरी dr by d theta is to be replaced by minus r square d theta by ये किसी ने फाइंड किया कि why dr by d theta is to be replaced by minus r square d theta by dr किसी ने सॉल्व किया इसको? Anyone understood it?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, so minus r d theta by dr presentation दे पाओगे क्या? Yes.
Sir, कधी?
तुला कधी पाहिजे तेव्हा काय प्रॉब्लेम त्याला? Whenever you will like it. Tan 2 theta d theta add constant. I think better to add log c. Now go to the next page. Can I change the page? Page number 9. Log r equal to minus of log of r sine is cos. Okay, so sec 2 theta divided by 2. Don't forget to write this divided by 2 log of c. So 2 log r minus log of sec 2 theta plus 2 log c. So log of r square equal to log of c square divided by sec 2 theta. See the option and see whether it is correct or not. Example number 31. R square equal to c. Instead of c we have k over here. R square equal to k cos 2 theta. C option. Option number C.
Yes, sir.
Option number C over here. Hope you might have written it. थोड़ा सा फास्ट होता है थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो रहा है I know it, but we have around 7 to 8 applications. We are solving the examples of first application only. We'll solve the example number 33. Please go through the remaining examples yourself. I'll go to next part. Newton's law of cooling. Write the title. Newton's law. Sufficient. Okay. First example. Newton's law of cooling states that चलो सब देखते हैं ऑप्शन. लास्ट ऑप्शन यूजुअली ऐसे क्वेश्चन में लास्ट ऑप्शन सही रहता है. देखते हैं. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द बॉडी चेंजेस एट द रेट विच इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू डिफरेंस इन टेम्परेचर बिटवीन सराउंडिंग मीडियम एंड दैट ऑफ बॉडी इटसेल्फ. यस, डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. अ मेटल बॉल इज हीटेड टू अ टेम्परेचर ऑफ 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस and at a time t equal to 0 it is placed in a water which is maintained at 40 degrees Celsius. So surrounding temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. By Newton's law of cooling, the differential equation is d theta by dt equal to minus k theta minus theta naught. What is theta naught? 40. Okay, so B option is correct. I think B and D are same only. No, they are not same. In case of D there is k theta. That is not required. B option is correct. D theta by dt equal to minus k theta minus 40. Okay, in this way you solve the remaining examples. Yes, we'll go through the example number 6. If theta naught is the temperature of the surrounding and theta is the temperature of body, then differential equation, then theta is given by. चलो solve करते हैं. Example number 6. So we have to start with the differential equation. D theta by dt equal to minus k theta minus theta naught. Okay. Our aim is to find theta from here. No any problem. Very simple problem. Remember that theta naught is constant. Okay, so we are here right now. Anything initial temperature, all these things given? Okay, not given, no problem. So see, all the option, they are free from log term, isn't it? So we want to remove the log term. Option is free from log term. So I am taking exponent. Some constant. ये नहीं है KT. This is the answer. If you want to write equation numbers, you can attach equation number to it. Where we are? Here, example number 6. Acha, instead of C there is A, so D option is correct. B is not correct, it is e raised to plus KT. And again remember that in case of this type of examples, usually the power of exponent is negative. If it is positive, as t tends to infinity, exponential term will become infinite. Temperature will become infinite. Electric current will become infinite, which is not possible practically, right? Therefore, usually the power of exponent term is negative. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Example number 8 solve करते हैं. Let me change the page. Example number 8 is to be solved. कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है. चलो क्या बोल रहा है example number 8? A thermometer is taken outdoor where the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius from a room in which the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius and the temperature drops to 10 degrees Celsius. I think we solved this example, but no problem. We'll solve it once again. If the differential equation of Newton's law of cooling is dt by dt, okay, minus k, okay, then the temperature T of the thermometer is given by. चलो solve करते हैं. Start with the differential equation. 0.741 T. चलो ठीक है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. किधर जाना है हमें? हाँ, इधर जाना है. चलो dt डिवाइडेड बाय जो भी है ये 0.7419 T. नहीं क्यों ऐसे किया? डिवाइडेड बाय T लेते हैं सिर्फ. सॉरी, चलो सॉल्व करते हैं. चलो गो टू द ऑप्शन और बताइए हमें क्या करना है इसके आगे. कुछ तो 21 वगैरह आ रहा है. चलो आएगा कहाँ पे जाएगा उसके लिए. आई थिंक वी हैव टू यूज द इनिशियल कंडीशन. ओके, क्या क्वेश्चन है? द थर्मोमीटर इज टेकन आउटडोर वेयर द टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, दैट इज थीटा नॉट इज 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, द रूम इन व्हिच टेम्परेचर इज 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो एट टाइम t इक्वल टू 0, थीटा इक्वल टू 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिस कंडीशन इज टू बी यूज्ड. ओके, मेंशन द कंडीशन.
सर थीटा नॉट है ना, टेम्परेचर 21.
ओके, नहीं, अरे नहीं, वी सॉल्व दिस एग्जांपल ना. The experiment is carried out. एक minute. The experiment is carried out outside the room, na? So what is temperature outside the room? 0 degrees Celsius. I told you the example of Kashmir. So in Kashmir, the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So consider that the experiment is carried out in Kashmir. I told you.
क्वेश्चन दाखवा ना.
Huh?
क्वेश्चन दाखवा.
Okay. Let me solve the remaining part. You also solve with me.
From a room in which the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius.
हाँ.
Temperature is 21 degrees Celsius.
अरे राजा 20 say where you are sitting na, that is the room where the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. Thermometer was kept in your room for last 1 month. Then when the experiment started, the thermometer is taken outside. Say you are in Srinagar. Okay, outside temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. Now the whole experiment is carried out outside the room. So what will be the surrounding temperature? 0. Is it clear or not? Till any
Outside
problem?
तर परत सांगा.
हे बघ, तू जहां पे आप अभी बैठे हो उस रूम में थर्मामीटर है, ठीक है? जब एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टार्ट किया, थर्मामीटर को बाहर लेके गए आप. बाहर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 21 डिग्री, सॉरी 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस है बाहर का टेम्परेचर, ठीक है? तो पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट कहाँ पे कैरी आउट हुआ है? बाहर. बाहर का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 0 है.
तो गंडवायला ठेवलंय का त्या 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस?
हाँ, absolutely. Used correct word.
Sir, page.
Oh, sorry. Yes, it is like this. Stop here. I think you have next lecture also. Then those group number B1, B2, B3 and especially B10, all you have to join the PBL meeting at after 1 hour. I think the time is 3:30. So join at 3:30. We'll have a little bit discussion and then we'll decide what to do. Remaining, I think all the groups from B1 to B10, you might have you might be working with your guide as well as your teammates, and you might have uploaded the poster. Today is the last date to upload the poster. Okay, you can make the required changes in poster. You can change the color combination and all those things, but when the poster is required for our PBL submission, it should be in the format which is provided to you. For UGCon, you can make the required changes. No any problem. Okay. Yes, we'll stop here. Already I have taken attendance. Thank you.
Sir. Good day, sir.
You can leave now. Okay.
Take care, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Well, we have lecture tomorrow also. If there is any change, I will let you know.
4th है ना?
Don't know whether.
हाँ.
कल छुट्टी है. पता नहीं. हमें यदि छुट्टी नहीं सिंपल है. यदि मुझे छुट्टी नहीं है तो मैं आपको घर में छुट्टी लेने नहीं दूंगा, है ना? तो चलो कल देखते हैं. मैं यदि कॉलेज में रहूंगा तो मैं आपका लेक्चर